What are you doing back there?
Skulking in the shrubbery. We're gonna skate. We're gonna skate out to the beach. We're in St. Armands. St. Armands Circle. Let's go.
St. Armands Circle in Sarasota, Florida.
It's really nice down here.
Lots of shops.
Lots of smooth concrete to skate.
Yep.
All right, you ready? No, wait, their car's coming. They don't see us. They still don't see us. Oh, wait. He's gonna turn? No, he's gonna go straight.
And
Okay,
we
go.
have a clear shot.
Let's go.
It's fun. You can skate all around where there's all these people and a lot of stores. Kind of an artsy area, lots of art. The sidewalks are in really good condition down here in Sarasota, Florida, down here in St. Armands. It's close to Siesta Key Beach too, which is also just so beautiful down here. You're losing me, Jazz.
You're too slow.
I'm giving a tour here. All the lovely
Go
people.
out to the beach at Lido.
We are?
Yeah. But like if people are interested, this is places to eat. There's a really nice, like they have homemade fudge there. It's really awesome.
Oh, yeah.
There's all sorts of restaurants and shops. It's really cool. So we're gonna head out to the beach.
Which way are you going? A little technical. We're gonna go through here. Ooh, getting a little aggressive. It's nice down here. Yeah, there's lots of room, lots of big sidewalks. It's nice because you can park down here, do a little shopping, eat some whatever you want, snacks, desserts, anything.
Ice cream.
Grab a beer, whatever, if you're old enough. And you can park really close to the beaches right here. The beaches down here are some of the nicest beaches I've seen. They're really nice. Hello.
Hello.
So we're not far away from the coast. Jazz is pulling away again. Ugh, a little bumpy right here. It's nice down here. There's this guy Jazz and I discovered who sells frozen like, oh, she's jumping the gullies. They're like frozen fruit slushies. And oh my God, they're so good. Icy, frosty. Where are you going? I'm losing you. Oh, she goes up to the ramp. Oh. This is where the beach is. Just tiptoeing through the water. Hello.
Not recommended for your bearings.
No.
But just so you know, you could skate pretty much all the way to the beach, take your skates off, go to the beach, have a swim. Real nice place, Lido Beach.
Awesome.
If you're in the area, come visit.